Let's drag the part to its place like this to assemble the vehicle. We did it! And now we need a loader. Look at the color of the tank cap and choose the refueling gun of the same color. Pump. Hooray! You're doing something for a long time. Let's hear the fallen trees. Drag the objects to their places. Let's send the train to the depot. Let's change the position of a driver's controller to start going. Look at the figure on the screen and choose the door of the right shape. Tap on the arrow on the control panel to head for the right door. You're doing really We did it! Let's load the empty bags onto the Drayscene. Let's load the transport with the necessary items. Ready. You're doing really great. Drag the object places. Let's drag the part to the right place. Let's wash the Drayscene. Let's start foaming the vehicle. Let's get the dirt off the vehicle with a brush. Done! You're doing really Hooray! Now let's load the materials into the minecart. Hooray! You're doing really great. When we fix them, they'll be available for moving. Drag the objects to their places. Let's wash the minecart. Don't stop. You're doing really great. Hooray! And now let's attach sticker signs to the garbage car. Keep it up. You're doing really brought us to an abandoned magic station. Let's clear the building. Drag the objects to their places. Try it on your own. Try it on your own. We need to fix a crack on the garbage car. Let's run the welder over the crack to keep up the good work. Let's grind the welding seam. That's all. To paint the stain, look at the cloud and install the spray gun cup of the same color. Amazing! You're doing ready. Let's load materials for repairment onto the flat car. Done! You're doing